Hello dear friend. There is a ton of quality budget heated socks. But which one is gonna be the best for you and your specific needs? In this video we will be checking out the best budget heated socks. I have made a list based on performance, features and more. I have included options for every type of consumer to make sure that you find the right product for you. Don't forget the like and subscribe button. Let's go.
At number 1, we have the Snow Deer Heated Socks. These socks are made from 80% cotton, 12% polyester, and 8% elastane material. They are super soft and comfortable. Their Coolmax tri-blend construction prevents odor and pulls the sweat away from the skin. Because of their elastic material, they are stretchable and allow easy blood circulation. There is a small pocket provided to carry the battery around. The heating elements are placed in the toe area. The heat is generated at the top of the toe as well as the bottom. This amazing product helps you with chronically cold feet and stiff joints. These electric socks come with a pair of 7.4 volt batteries that can keep heating for about 6 hours. You can choose from multiple sizes and color options. The 3 heat settings provide you a range of temperatures that you can set through the controller easily. This is a great product that is very helpful for winter sports like skiing, snowboarding, fishing, and hunting, etc. At number 2, we have the Global Vasion electric socks. These electric heated socks come in 2 colors, gray and black. They are made of 100% cotton with padding in the toe area for reinforcement. They are very comfortable to wear and fit quite well on the feet. The material is thick and elastic, which makes these socks really soft, absorbent, and breathable. 2 heating panels are provided in the front area of the foot, one at the top and the other on the bottom. These heating panels are powered by a pair of 3.7 volt batteries which can be kept in the pockets provided at the sides. This product also has 3 temperature settings. You can set the temperature according to the weather conditions. These socks are great for skiing, hiking, and snowboarding. They are completely safe even if they get wet, so you don't have to worry about getting shocked by the current. At number 3, we have the Binnice heated socks. These socks are made up of premium combed cotton and A-grade spandex. This is a durable product suited for both men and women. A very thin carbon fiber wire is installed in the socks, so you will not be irritated by the imprint of the wire. The socks heat uniformly all over your feet. This product comes with 2 2200 mAh large capacity batteries. 3 heating levels are given in the settings. The temperature can be set between 113 degrees Fahrenheit and 149 degrees Fahrenheit. These socks also have a feature of protection from overheating and overcharging, which makes them completely safe for use. You can wear them for riding, fishing, hiking, skiing, and snowboarding. These thermal socks can be washed in the washing machine by putting them into a laundry bag, but hand wash is highly recommended. Do not tumble dry or bleach these socks. At number 4, we have the Jomst electric socks. These thermal socks come with an amazing battery timing of 25 hours. These socks are equipped with a pair of huge 5,000 mAh batteries. This way you can have long-lasting heat for your feet without worrying about the batteries running out of charging. You can set the temperature according to your requirements from the 3 heating levels, 38 degrees Celsius, 45 degrees Celsius, and 55 degrees Celsius. Needless to say, the higher temperature, the more battery will be consumed. They get heated in just 30 seconds. 4 layers have been installed in these socks. The outermost layer is windproof, protecting your feet from the chilly winds in the winter. Then there is an insulation layer that prevents loss of heat. Then comes the heating layer, which is equipped with a thin wire that heats your feet up. In the end, we have a soft, warm layer to keep your feet comfortable. This is an ideal gift for your family and friends in the winter to keep them warm and cozy. And finally, at number 5, we have the PlyFuns heated socks. These socks are made up of high-quality cotton that is elastic and breathable. The premium construction of these socks makes them breathable, comfortable, and durable. They don't get tight on your feet, which keeps the blood circulation normal. These socks only give heat through the bottom of your feet. You have 3 heating levels to select from. The temperature can be set between 95 degrees to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. You can adjust the temperature according to the weather needs. These thermal socks can be used for camping, hunting, and simply walking in the cold. The reviews are mixed. Some people have issues with heating.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed yourself, make sure to press that like button. And if you want to see more of these videos, make sure to press that subscribe button and notification so you would know when we drop a new video. Also, if you're interested in any of these products, you will find all their links in the description. Thank you.